Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am here to show you another entry into my ATC challenge, which will be entry number 24. And this one comes from Florida, and it comes from Fashionably 50 something and beyond, Lene's channel. So most of you know Lene, and she has a channel where she does a lot of hauls. She does seasonal decorating and craft projects or project shares. She also enters a lot of swaps and also a lot of these challenges like mine. So I really appreciate her. She actually also has an aunt who is sarcastically 60 something and beyond. And it was funny because when I seen her aunt's channel, we were in a collab together. I was like, oh, this sounds like Lene's channel, right? But I put that in the back of my head. And then when I was watching one of the videos, she mentioned that Lene was her niece. So anyway, she sent everything in this beautiful envelope with flamingos. I had problems filming yesterday, and so I opened everything up. I was filming, then my daughter called. My laptop was open, and I just turned it into a whole fiasco. So I'm recording this again. So I did open it, but I did not look at everything. Okay, let's see. So it came with a card, and the card is kind of in keeping with the, I don't know, like the jungle theme. Not jungle, what am I trying to say? You know, summery theme and vibe. I like the way you offset this strip right here, and then you offset this. See, I would have went all the way to the edge, but this is very smart. She put a cute pineapple on there. And then she said, happy birthday, encloses her ATC along with an envelope, flip book, and pen. Have a wonderful birthday, Lene. And she left the card blank so I could reuse it. And this is her pen that she sent, and it has flamingos on it. It's so cute. And you know what? It's super light. You know where you would think that this thing kind of looks heavy, but I also love, I mean, it's not heavy. I also love this packaging. So cool. Where are you guys getting this packaging from? Here's her ATC card. It is nice and bright and cheery, keeping with her theme with the pineapples and flamingos. There's flamingos right in here. Cute. And her birthday is November 15th. I'm getting a lot of November birthdays. She likes black and pink. Crafting and being with family are her favorite activities. Oh, sweet. Okay, so that's going to go in November. But let's look at this. So pineapples and flamingos. Very cute. Oh, okay. This is sunshiny. Relax. See, is there anything in there? Woohoo. I think there is. I don't want to break anything trying to pull it out. Okay, so there's some tags in here. This one says so happy. This one is a leaf. In Hawaii, we call that a laua'i leaf. Very cute. Put these back in there. And this one also says, I'd swim the ocean for you. And more cards. I like that fern. It's very Hawaiian-y. And hello with the toucan. I'm sure there's nothing else in there. Okay, I don't think there's anything else in there. And this one says, enjoy today. There are some things in there. Pretty card. Ooh. Oh, let's see. Try to get these out. I can feel something in there. Yeah, I feel something in there. We want to make sure it's not just the flap. Oh, it might be just the flap, how she folded it over. Okay, so this one says, Sweet Escape. Today is the day. I love tags. Ooh, I like this one a lot. And then So Happy. Perfect. Love it. Thank you so much. Wait, how did you do this? Let's see. Wait. I think it's like this. No, it's like this. Yes. Oh, perfect. Okay, so Lene is going to go into November. Hey, come here. Paper. Okay. So I'm going to open my book up. And she's going to go into November. After I closed my book last night, I realized that it's so... Ooh, look, nobody in October. I realized it's so top heavy because I put all the cards at the top. So you are going to go right here in my book. And then I also have you written down in my book right here. You are entry number 23. Lene's Fabulous 50-something and beyond. Thank you so much, Lene. Thanks everybody for watching. Go over to Lene's channel and show her some crafty love. Bye, guys.